What's up, guys? Post-workout meal. We are at Subway. Had a pretty decent shoal upper power day. Halfway through, we are both I was kind of hesitant to either start the deload today, or just go and see how we feel, because we had 2 days off in a row and we were both just feeling good, excited to train, but we just wanted to test it out. Halfway through the workout, we decided that we needed a deload. We hit flat bench and incline bench and hit some PRs. So got some footage of that, and yeah, I'll show you some highlights. And not going to show you the complete workout. We didn't film all of it because it was just deload. We decreased the weight and the volume, and not too exciting. So enjoy the footage.
You go, I go, you stay, I stay. One song to sing.
So as you guys saw, some PRs were hit. The biggest PR that I hit was the 2 sets of 315 for 4 reps. I probably could have got the 3rd set for 4, but I didn't want to force it. Long workout. Didn't want to hit failure. So next week, I'm going to aim for that 3 sets of 4 reps for the 315, and hopefully I'll get 5 reps of 315 very soon. And so here's our post-workout meal. Show you guys what I got. There's 3 of the raspberry cheesecake, white chocolate cookies, 1, 2, 3. Some Lay's oven-baked barbecue chips. Keep the fat down so I can have these cookies. And then same sandwich I usually get. Roasted chicken with a shitload of veggies on it. Light mustard, mayo, light mayo, some mustard, and then the Southwest sauce. And I also get the salt and vinegar, or the oil vinegar, salt and pepper. And then Diet Coke. Thanks, pretty much got the same thing.
Except honey mustard on mine.
And then you got 3 cookies also?
Yeah.
Show them the cookies. Pretty much got a sampler. Oatmeal raisin, white chocolate, and then
macadamia.
And then the raspberry. You hit some PRs today too, right?
Yeah. Bench was faster. Incline was faster. Pretty much everything.
Alright, that's it guys. Enjoy this, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
You go, I go, you stay, I stay. One song to sing.